South America, 15 million years ago. A monster creature called the terror bird is the king of beasts in this terrain.
Kid, this would have been a very powerful weapon.
For the only time in history, a bird is top predator on an entire continent. Then, the terror bird treks 7,000 miles to North America. Here, fierce wolves and saber-toothed cats rule the land. And the giant bird has a fight on its hands. In this epic conflict, who would prevail? The birds from the south or the beasts of the north?